Denver Pilates girl here. Today we're talking about the exercise open leg rocker. It is a great addition to the repertoire, and I'll show you the prep version and the ideal and how to modify. So we just came out of the spine stretch forward. Your ankles are there. You're going to reach forward, grab your ankle, pull your heel to your seat. Pull the other one in. Find your balance on your butt. Hold the position. Now your ankle is pressing to your hand, and your hand is pressing down to your ankle, creating the opposition, the prep work. Open the leg, stay looking tall. Now it may straighten, it may not. I have knee issues, so my leg doesn't all the way straighten without giving me pain. So that's your prep. Now you can just hold this position, pulling in your belly. The ideal version: open, open, balance, hold and look forward. Pinch your butt, roll back, look down, come up, sit up tall. Again, look down, roll back, stay off your neck, and look up. And lower down. So that was the ideal version. If you're doing the next exercise, it would have been the corkscrew. So the transition is we just rolled up, finish our final one. We close the legs, reach for the feet like a teaser, and roll all the way down. And we're here for our corkscrew. So that way you can start adding transitions into your mat. Now, if you work with me on my program, I cover all of the transitions, your reps, and help you with your home Pilates practice. Until next time, I'll see you on your mat. Bye.